Got brain fog? You want to jab your fingers in order to clear up that fog in your brain. So brain fog, it can be for many different reasons, but you just feel like there's like some heaviness, some cloudiness in your brain, right? Or sometimes it's like you used to be super smart, and then one day you're like, man, I feel pretty dumb. I feel my brain's just not working, right? So whatever the cause, there could be thyroid, it could be the C virus, it could be any type of virus, it could be respiratory issues. Whatever the cause, the result is the same. The result is lack of oxygen to your brain. So you need to stimulate oxygen to your brain. Of course, you can exercise. Exercise is one of the best things, but let's say you can't exercise. So what's a quick way? In 30 seconds, you can start lifting the fog or clearing up the fog. It's called jabbing your fingers, okay? Not actually jabbing like this, but you're gonna use your fingernails. So you're going to use your fingernails and you're going to jab every single finger. Okay? It's like reflexology in your foot, but it's in your hand, every finger. Why? Because the hand correlates, has nerves that are connected to your brain. It affects the blood circulation to your brain. Okay? Don't listen to the naysayers, the haters that say, hey, there ain't no nerves connected from your hand to the brain. Well, 3,000 years ago, people were super smart, and they determined there are nerves that are connected, right? Your hand is not independent of your brain. It doesn't matter what anybody tells you, right? Something that happens in your hand, it affects your brain, right? Your body's all connected. And so by doing this, for every finger, it takes you 30 seconds, right? So you want to do this once an hour. So when you're working on the computer, everybody's working at home, right? You just do this. Stop and do 30 seconds. Jab both of your fingers. Use your fingernails to jab your fingers, right? You're stimulating the blood flow to your brain. And this will, by increasing blood flow to your brain, it increases oxygen to your brain. And guess what? It starts to lift the fog. So do this every hour for 30 seconds, right? Simple enough, right? So give this a try. Let me know how it works. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You got brain fog, you want to do the water splash, right? So different parts, how this works is different parts of the hand, the nerves connected to the hand actually are connected to your brain. So by stimulating the nerve function in your fingers, you can actually improve your brain fog, maybe memory loss, short-term loss, right? Maybe you wake up every morning and you're just brain fog, you can barely think. This is what you're going to do. You're going to when you splash water on someone, you're trying to splash water on someone, that's what the water splash is. You can do it, okay, you can do it 100 times every single day, right? Do the water splash, water splash, water splash, water splash, water splash, water splash, okay? Water splash. Now here's more advanced. Advanced is you curl your fingers and then splash it out. Curl your fingers and then splash it out. Now if you can't curl your fingers, just do the normal water splash. Water splash, water splash, water splash, water splash, 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 water splash, all right? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube page.